In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Stumble Guys 2023, 2024, 2025, and so on. Doesn't matter the year. First, I will point out that you can do this process if you are on computer or on any phone. So you need to enter on Stumble Guys and log on the account that you want to invite your friend. Then you need to add your friend to invite your friend. Okay, so you need to come on the main menu, click right here, friends, below party, click at the top right corner on this green button, add, and type your friend username. So for example, test, click on OK, then click to add the person with this name. Okay, then your friend needs to click right here on pending invites and accept your friend request. Then if you come right here on the main menu and play any game, click to enter on a lobby or on a party. I will create a party just for example. Okay, so you will see right here all the friends that you have on Stumble Guys. Okay, all friends that you have added. Then you just need to click on the green button to invite the friend. You can also click right here to invite all friends at once. Then your friend just needs to accept the invite and you will invite your friends in Stumble Guys. I hope I helped you on how to invite friends in Stumble Guys. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.